everyone, and welcome back as we move into the Vittam Mudra. This is the gesture of vital energy with a core quality being free flow of vital energy. Vittam means vital energy, and this particular mudra directs breath, awareness, and energy into the pelvis and abdomen. It also helps to activate the water element, including fluidity and flexibility, which supports that free flow of vital energy within both the subtle and the physical bodies. Because of this connection with the water element, as well as the abdominal breathing that is cultivated by this mudra, we also see that it helps to nourish the reproductive and urinary systems. We also will see a relaxing in the lower back and that, again, awakening of vitality. There are no cautions associated with this mudra. And in order to do it, you're going to go ahead and hold your hands slightly cupped in front of the lower abdomen, with your palms facing each other about 12 inches apart. Allow your hands to naturally expand away from each other on the inhalation and to rest gently back toward each other on the exhalation. So this mudra does have movement involved in your hands rather than just holding it steady. As always, you're going to want to make sure that your shoulders are relaxed back and down with your spine naturally aligned. Let's take a moment to practice this mudra before we get into our meditation. So again, go ahead and place your hands as described. And just take a few breaths and naturally practice the moving your hands apart on your inhale and bringing them back together, but still keeping that about foot distance between one another on your exhalation. So inhale out, exhale, bringing back together. Now that we have taken some time to practice and are sitting comfortably, let us begin with our meditation. As you hold the Vittam Mudra, take several natural breaths to attune to all the feelings and sensations awakened in your body by this gesture. Again, hands out as you inhale, back in as you exhale. Notice how your breath is gently directed into your pelvis and your abdomen. And as you continue to breathe, allow yourself to just experience this area and recognizing that this is the inner spring of vital energy. Take several breaths to sense how your abdomen rises and falls in sync with your breathing, naturally allowing yourself to deepen your connection to your own inner spring. Experience your hands as an extension of your rhythmic breathing, expanding away from each other and softening towards each other. As your hands, breath, and abdomen move together in synchrony, take some time to sense the vibrant energy awakening within your inner spring. As this energy naturally expands, you are able to channel it into each area of your being, re-establishing the free flow of prana, the life force, and optimizing your own health and vitality. As you inhale, rest your awareness within your inner spring. And as you exhale, Channel prana, life force, down into your legs and feet, allowing it to nourish these areas with vital energy. Take several more breaths to sense your legs and feet expanding and softening. With your next inhale, return to the comfort of your inner spring. And as you exhale, sense that vital energy infusing into your sit bones, your buttocks, and lower back completely, allowing them to also be nourished with vital energy. On your next inhale, return once more to your inner spring, and with your exhale, allow prana to naturally infuse into your solar plexus, chest, mid, and upper back. Experience these areas expanding and releasing in sync with your breathing, bathing them with this vital energy. Continue this rhythm with inhaling back into your inner spring and exhaling, moving up your body to your shoulders, your arms and hands, filling your upper extremities. Take those breaths to experience those areas expanding and being infused with vital energy. And continue when you're ready into your neck and your head, and allow it to be bathed in life force energy. Now take some time to allow the life force energy to radiate outward from your inner spring, sensing your entire being expanding and softening energetically in sync with your rhythmic breathing. Allow your body to be nourished with prana. Notice yourself becoming more naturally in tune with your body. And as your body fills with this prana, this life force and vital energy, repeat the following phrase 3 times aloud or silently to yourself. Attuned to the free flow of vital energy, I move with the rhythms of life, smoothly and easily. Attuned to the free flow of vital energy, I move with the rhythms of life smoothly and easily. Attuned to the free flow of vital energy, I move with the rhythms of life smoothly and easily. Continue your breathing and your mudra as you allow these words to sink deeply into your consciousness. And once you are ready, open your eyes if you allow them to close. Release the gesture, taking several breaths to experience the energetic nourishment you developed. Allow yourself to return slowly and gently with your body of energy nourished completely. Thank you for joining me again. Until next time, take care.